Okay, Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddy, and what we have here is a Bentley door lock. This Bentley door lock operates on this as a $345 blank, but we needed to make a service key. So before we start cutting into that, I custom made a Star OPL 68. This is an old Chrysler Y151, 149, and 138. So I ground it down on both sides, and by taking it, I actually was able to get it to go into the lock, and it operates. So you can see we got an operating key here made by an old Chrysler key, $345 for this, and I got these laying around. It's a solid brass. There you have it, Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddy.